Persimmon properties. Persimmon is a typical autumn fruit that provides essential nutrients when other fruits are less available. Its sweet flavor and smooth texture makes it ideal to eat on its own or in a variety of recipes, and it is valued in many cultures for its versatility. Persimmon has important properties: anti-inflammatory, macular protection, cardioprotective, digestive, antimicrobial, immune stimulating. Persimmon benefits. Thanks to its nutritional composition, persimmons offer multiple health benefits. Supports heart health. Flavonoid and soluble fiber help regulate blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and prevent inflammation in the cardiovascular system. Regular consumption helps maintain healthy blood vessels and lowers the risk of heart disease. Healthy, glowing skin. Its beta-carotenes, which the body converts into vitamin A, help keep the skin hydrated, promote cell renewal, and support healing. They may also provide a natural golden tone to the skin due to carotenoids. Protects eye health. Vitamin A derived from beta-carotene helps prevent cataracts and age-related vision problems, while supporting retinal health and reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Supports digestive health. Traditionally used to relieve mild digestive discomfort, persimmon supports gut microbiota and helps fight common bacteria. Its soluble fiber improves intestinal transit and helps prevent constipation. Helps reduce chronic inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory compounds may help prevent conditions such as arthritis, asthma, diabetes, and neurodegenerative diseases. Supports respiratory health. Its anti-inflammatory effects and immune-boosting vitamins help relieve respiratory discomfort and may help prevent viral and bacterial infections. How to eat a persimmon. Persimmon should only be eaten when fully ripe, as unripe fruit contains tannins that create a very bitter taste. The simplest and most nutritious way to eat it is raw, with the skin well washed, allowing you to benefit from its fiber and vitamins. It can also be added to recipes such as yogurt bowls with seeds, smoothies with fruits like apple or pear, and purees for pies or dessert. Persimmon can also be dried or made into jams and compotes, preserving much of its nutritional value while offering different ways to enjoy this seasonal fruit. What happens if you eat persimmon every day? Eating persimmon daily may provide noticeable health improvements. You may experience healthier skin, better digestion, and improved overall wellness. However, moderation is key. One fruit per day is enough. Eating too much may cause a mild laxative effect or slight skin color change due to beta-carotene buildup. Persimmon contraindications. Persimmon should be consumed with caution. It is not recommended for people with iron deficiency anemia, as tannins may interfere with iron absorption. It may also irritate those with gastritis, especially if not fully ripe. Due to its mild laxative effect, excessive consumption should be avoided. Tell us, will you add persimmon to your diet to enjoy its benefits? See you next time, ecologists.